advancement projects, and their local cryptographic forms of money have explicitly gotten significant acknowledgement from the worldwide digital currency market. A few maturing thoughts have been fruitful in acquiring the market by storm and in every practical sense, significant way. Deckard is one such stage, and furthermore one of the earliest coins. It sort of has acquired its code from BTC. The Deckard project consolidates the upsides of confirmation of work with evidence of stake, providing clients with the advantages of both. It has been recorded on a portion of the especially prestigious trades like Coinbase and Binance, as Deckard furnishes its clients with a solid and dependable stage, as well as lower costs, and a wide assortment of virtual monetary forms to pick from. Do you end up among a lot of brokers that have been looking for DCR to make a bullish step, which is very huge? Put commonly your safety belts on in light of the fact that this video talks about the practical Deckard cost figure for 2022 and the years to come. DCR crypto value expectation for Q4, which is genuinely critical, expanding further in the final quarter, upheld by significant turns of events and related undertakings, could push the market for Deckard. By the finish of the year, DCR can raise its expense to its most significant level of $35.90. On the negative side, in the event that the convention flounders notwithstanding savage rivalry, the expense can bit by bit decline to $25.10. Considering the bullish and negative focus is on, the normal cost might settle at roughly $30.60 level. DCR value estimate for 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. By utilizing a very cross-breed agreement convention, Deckard awards clients, excavators, and software engineers an equivalent chance to contribute, which is genuinely huge. Thus, no one essentially has a very second mandate on the stage's decision in a significant manner. This in basically turn awards certainty to the clients and partners of the stage. That being said, the symbolics cost could chug up for new achievements, driving its cost to $63.60. Then again, DeFi's fading unmistakable quality could hinder its conjecture to a very least of $25.10, which is genuinely huge. Progressively, the typical expense could ultimately reach $30.60, in spite of mainstream thinking. Deckard value figure for 2024. Assuming the group backing the DEFI project fundamentally utilizes local area building procedures and empowers essential executions and association. By the yearly certainly close of 2024, the expense of DCR can increment to a limit of $105.30. The convention could endure if, with regards to extraordinary rivalry, assuming it loses energy, it could ultimately drop to $53.20. The typical cost might look for help at levels about $78.80, assuming the bullish and negative targets are considered. DCR value expectation for 2025, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Deckard embodies all that Bitcoin should have been starting from the start. Clients view Deckard as the most clear choice of majority rule and decentralized dynamic in a distributed organization, which is equipped for answering immediately to breaks or new inquiries from the web local area. Emphatically, the cost would arrive at its hypothetical pinnacle of $179.30, or so they thought. The DCR worth would basically rather collide with its base obstruction at $93, assuming that bears get the market under their influence. By the finish of the year, in the event that typical exchanging proceeds, it would exchange at around $137.20, or so they thought. Deckard forecasts in an unobtrusive way. The continuous upgrades and associations will hoist Deckard's value in the really impending years, in spite of prevalent thinking. The cost development would sort of build because of the expected development in the utility and interoperability of the coin. In view of the DCR cost figure created by our master board, a bullish market could make DCR's cost increment to $36 by the finish of 2022, which is very huge. On the likely drawback, the cost might be harmed by forthcoming business sector changes and serious tensions, which could make the coin's worth tumble to $25. What is Deckard? One of the absolute first crypto tokens in the market is Deckard. Despite the fact that it copied Bitcoin's code, it carried out specific changes to repay token holders and framework donors. As a matter of fact, purchasers got a say in the framework's practical decisions and truly are firmly encouraged to participate in the organization of the organization by Deckard DCR. Evidence of work and verification of stake conventions are both utilized by Deckard as agreement components. Moreover, exchanges are confirmed by a POW excavator, and updates to the organization especially are chosen by a POS investor. This cross-breed technique supports picking how kind of the best to grant its customers, considering that both Deckard and Bitcoin capability on similar code. They fundamentally have comparable highlights in a significant manner. In any case, Deckard's block time is 5 minutes, and its mining intricacy changes on a standard timetable, which all things considered, is very critical. Deckard will achieve a basic change in the monetary business by filling in as a driver to work with fast installments in the worldwide installment network in a significant way. Crucial investigation. Deckard especially as a decentralized, open-source cryptographic money that underscores local area contribution over all the other things. Its reception of an exceptionally open administration framework and long-haul finance for the proposed project blended its motivation. Accomplishing more monetary autonomy is made simple for partners, all because of Deckard's classification, straightforwardness, versatility, and decentralized organization. Besides, here are some truly speedy and a real sense features on the essentials of DCR. Deckard as cash developed. It really centers around tackling the issues of versatility and commitment of BTC. Furthermore, Deckard created Polidia, a devoted democratic stage that empowers clients to project voting forms, propose thoughts, and start discussions in a quite enormous way. It is endeavoring to get the best out of the two universes by its half-breed agreement component, which combines both the POW and POS, verifiable value examination, or so they thought. 2016 to 2017. Following its presentation in February 2016, the worth of DCR progressively explicitly diminished about BTC and USD. It started exchanging at a cost of around $1.04 in 2016 and afterwards slowly sort of declined to 52 cents towards the finish of 2016. The value leaped to reach $85 by 2017 in an extremely significant manner. 2018. The coin spiked to reach $103 on the 19th of January. 2018 ended up being a productive year for the money for greater part of the year. By the finish of 2018, DCR was selling for about $35. 2019. The coin lost energy in 2019 as its value kept on declining in the year in an unobtrusive way. It certainly was exchanging around $16 toward the start of the year and basically shut the year on a negative note. 2020. The coin remained at generally $15.65 for practically all of the year in the wake of neglecting to get some decent momentum from its plunge in 2019 in a significant manner. Nonetheless, it extended its edge and adjusted a bullish turn towards the finish of 2020, coming to $38.16. 2021 in an unobtrusive manner. DCR went on with a similar bullish energy from 2020, as its cost especially developed to strike around $200. DCR's worth encountered a critical spike in April 2021, ascending to an unsurpassed high of $250.02, which is genuinely huge. In any case, the worth started to decline from there on. Wrapping up, the advancement of the charming virtual cash Deckard all through the years has persistently flabbergasted us. The essential advantage of DCR right currently is that it gives a more legitimate control model over Bitcoin organization. Prior to finishing up, we might want to feature the expected advantages and disadvantages of the venture. Will Deckard reach $1,000? Deckard is still under a negative market and in a real sense is certainly difficult to foresee whether it can cross the $1,000 edge. Where might I at any point purchase Deckard? One can purchase DCR from noticeable digital currency trades like Binance, OKEX, Huobi Worldwide, Gate.io, and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. What will be the especially worth of DCR toward the finish of 2022, as opposed to mainstream thinking?